An Indian-American businesswoman, Anjali Sud, has been selected to join the Board of Overseers at Harvard University. She takes the place of Mark Carney, who recently left his seat after becoming the new leader of Canada's Liberal Party, replacing Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. Carney had been on Harvard's board since 2021, but once he entered politics at the national level, he stepped down from his academic role in March 2025. Anjali Sud is currently the CEO of Tubi, a popular free streaming service in the US. Her election to the Harvard Board of Overseers is significant not only because she is a woman of Indian origin, but also because the board is one of the two main governing bodies at Harvard. The Board of Overseers, first formed in 1642, helps oversee the university's school and departments through a structured evaluation process. These assessments play a key role in maintaining the quality of education and research at Harvard. Sud will complete the final 2 years of Carney's term on the board. Her selection also reflects Harvard's recognition of diverse global leadership as she brings extensive experience from the world of media and business. Born in 1983 to Punjabi immigrant parents in Michigan, Sud's path to success has been shaped by hard work and top-tier education. She completed her MBA at Harvard Business School back in 2011. Early in her career, she worked at Amazon and Time Warner, gaining experience in marketing and mergers. Later on, she joined Vimeo, where she worked her way up to become the CEO. Today, she is also involved with organizations like Change.org and Dolby Laboratories, and she supports education through her role at Phillips Academy, Andover. At the very same time, another Indian American, Sanjay S, has also taken on an important role at Harvard. He has been elected as one of the new directors of Harvard Alumni Association. This board focuses on keeping Harvard graduates connected with the university and encouraging their involvement. Sanjay, who has strong background in climate policy and public service, will begin his 3-year term on July 1st. He studied urban planning and public administration at Harvard and has worked at the US Environmental Protection Agency, focusing on climate and equity in the New England region. Together, Anjali and Sanjay represents a growing influence of the Indian origin community in leadership role across the US institutions. Their election shows how individuals from immigrant backgrounds are now shaping decisions at some of the most prestigious academic and policy-making platforms in the world.